Right, it's really too windy to try flying this, but I'm going to give it a go. It's not fully charged, but we've got a clear space and the wind does keep dropping, so we might get a little flight out of it. I haven't had a chance to fly this since I rewired it for that external plug there for charging the battery direct rather than through the receiver charging circuit. Yeah, looking at those branches blowing, it's a bit windy there. Coming from that direction, so we'll start here and probably have to walk over there. The wind's from behind me now, it's sort of swirling around a bit, not so good. Yeah, we're not going to do very well here. Not when we've got to fight against the wind. Oh. Stalled it. Needs fully charging, I think. The problem is the battery that I put in there when I rewired it doesn't seem to hold power, so that'll have to do. Wind's dropped. I think I ought to accept that battery's no good. Probably ought to look at changing that battery again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.